So good morning guys. We're right now at Philly Cafe. So at New Star Resort. So at Philly Hotel, and you know, it's breakfast time. Tanaw na to sa inaasa ilang breakfast. You know what they offer for breakfast. It's been a while na nag-breakfast na dire. So tanaw na to sa ilang mga selections karon. There's na mga bacon, kusino. Over here by nasa na yung mga champurrado. So, and lugaw. So perfect para sa may mas mga dilis, danggit, and of course may puset. Later magluto na siya ginasal, pero guys, morning man ta, so nasan siya salad, if you want mga salads. Sa chicken salads, I mean, lumpia station. And then you have a breakfast pork. Of course, can't live without rice. The rice is life. Other fried stuff like hash browns, bangos, and chicken. Then we have Filipino dishes there like pinakbet, adobo. With machado. They are an egg station, right? Like eggs. No, na. Hanging glassing eggs. Chawanmushi, shakshuka. Even have chukata. And you even have this one. Rice toppings. So chorizo, pwede ka magpa-grill, I think, but it's more later. But yeah, kanina there's like noodle station din eh. Ito kanina yung noodles, ano niya. Have the choice of egg, and then you can put it. Then over here is our like Asian station. This is the egg fried rice, stir fried chicken. Refill na sa pano, fried chicken, beef with different birds, beef with ampalaya, Indian and chickpeas, kanda poha, okra, sambar, puri, bhaji, and we have that beautiful puri, and then paratha and samosa. Then we have a dim sum station here na Hainanese chicken and siomai, chicken feet, siomai, Hainanese chicken, and you can season it. Egg wrap soup. And mga Koreans would love this station, or Korean food lovers na mga Korean. Like Busam Tinti style dish, Marie, rolled egg, kimchi, rice chicken, bulgogi, and rice and soups here, kimchi jjigae. And over here naman, if you want healthy, right? Ano sa mga juice, diba? Ito ang sakto na din sa juice station. And you have local fruits. But ito, napapakayo. You even have siniguelas. Siniguelas. Dragon fruit. Watermelon. Siniguelas. Kaimito ba? Kaimito. It's nice to see mga local fruits here. And of course, mga green apples. Pero naano sila yung mga yogurt. Beautiful. And over here na yung mga nuts, mga dried fruits, cheeses. Diba? Lavandra. Pero di pa tawag na human ko after everything, diba? Mag-dessert na ka or mag-pan. Pwede ka mag-kape there. Kape, of course. Ay kape dito. So, mga mga lugar nila. Hindi pa kayo naghang tao, but I don't think magbuhan. Pwede pa kayo, kung sayo pa man, mga 7 pa man. So, one ang nindot yari, mga 6, 7, hindi pa na busy, pero kung mga 8, 9, good luck na lang. And it's nice to see kanina na yung mga turon. Binangkal. Morning! O ganun sila, maghimo na sila, nasa si Kuwate, and then, mga crepe dire. So, they have pancakes, waffles, sapin-sapin, bibiko. But also here in Hirabi sa nilang pastry station na chocolate, Danish, berry, croissants, breads, bukayo bread, cheese bread, whole wheat bread, ube, cheese pandesal, mongo bread, ensaymada, maraming bakery gitu di ba na pandesal, soft rolls. So, if you like something sweet, nasa chocolate section, where you can have kana tanan, including marble cake, choco fudge, and chocolate mousse, choco banana pound cake. It's an early morning ba yung anak. Kung Pinoy na Pinoy ka na, ay taho station. Itong himog taho dire. No, na arnibal, sago, condensed milk. So, mauni. So, another great station is kaning atong station, ang Cebu Mango Station. International section with butter, jams, and cereals and bread. So mana guys, kung mag-new star mo or mag-stay mo sa Philly Hotel, ay mo kalimot mag-breakfast yun because they have one of the best breakfasts also among the hotels in Cebu, diba? So mana, mukhaon sa ko. And mana, let me know kung kamo na adere unsa inyong unang puniton. Bye bye bye!